The Molotov cocktail has become a weapon of resistance. Weapon for those who are against rules, regime and the government. People who are in disagreement. Resistance against aliens, foreigners, tyrants and at times their own countrymen. It was used by Finns during the Winter War in 1939, which is also known as the First Soviet-Finnish War. In a radio broadcast produced during the Winter War, Molotov on Soviet state radio said,
Bombing missions over Finland are actually airborne humanitarian food deliveries for our starving neighbors.
As a result, the Finns sarcastically dubbed the Soviet cluster bombs Molotov breadbaskets in reference to Molotov's propaganda broadcast. When the handheld bottle firebomb was developed to attack and destroy Soviet tanks, the Finns call it the Molotov Cocktail as a drink to go with his food parcels. All it takes is a bottle, some flammable liquid, a wick, and the first Molotov cocktail was used in the Spanish Civil War even before it was named that. In 1939, Molotov cocktail was used in the Battle of Khalkhin Gol between Japan and USSR. Irish used it against the Britons in their war for independence. Not only between the countries, but Molotov cocktail is used within the country too. There are so many riots which took place between the armed forces and the people in which Molotov cocktails are used. Rioters in Greece, America, Hong Kong, Turkey, etc. and all over the world used it against the armed forces. Ukrainians are using Molotov cocktail in the fight against Russian invasion. This weapon of resistance is indeed a poor man's grenade.